Now I will demonstrate how comments can be inserted in a PDF file by using free reader softwares like Adobe Acrobat Reader DC. Using this reader software, I can perform two operations. One is commenting and the other one is filling and signing. So let me demonstrate comments first. As soon as I click on comment, you will find that lots of options are available for commenting the text. Let's observe all these icons one by one. The first icon is that for inserting a sticky note. So I click on this and insert the sticky note here. As soon as I click, the sticky note is inserted here, and now I can type whatever I want to type. So the sticky note says this is the first para, and then I post this message on the note. Whenever a reader going through this PDF file positions on the sticky note, the user can read this message here. Now look at the next icon. It is for highlighting the text. Let me click on this. The highlighting color is going to be orange, as is indicated by this color icon. So I can highlight a word for anything from here, whatever text I want to stand out from the remaining text. So this is the highlighted text. Next, let me click at any other position. So whatever new text I select, even that is going to have the same color. But in case I want to change the highlighting there, I can use the color picker box under this color, and I can change the color of highlighting. So that way the important areas in the text can be highlighted. In today's scenario, when hard copies of books are not available and we have to work with ebooks, in ebooks we can insert comments or highlight text like this using these free readers. Then if I want to underline some text, I can click on this third icon and then I can select some text. The text gets underlined. The color of the line can again be changed by clicking on this color picker, and now it changes to pink color. Next one is for strike through text. In case I want to have a line above the text indicating that this text should be deleted, I can click on this icon and then a set of words that I want to delete. So the text appears to be strike through, indicating the text needs to be deleted. So you can use this for passing comments to your students who have submitted their assignments as PDF files. Again, the color of the line can be changed by clicking here. So I can change the color to blue color by clicking on the blue color in the color picker box. Then I can use this icon for adding a note to replace text. I want to insert a comment that certain text needs to be replaced. So like, instead of writing so popular, I want to write something else, not popular, and then say post. So this text is going to be replaced like this. This text needs to be replaced like this. I need to pass this comment to the reader. So you can see whatever I am doing on the main PDF file, those are appearing as operations on the right side, right pane, indicating wherever I have highlighted something or underlined something or I have strike through something, then it is all going to be visible on the right pane. Next is I want to insert some text between two words. So I can click over here and then I can click over here. And then I can say post. So wherever I had to replace something or where I had to insert something, you can see there is an icon indicative of that. And as I bring the mouse cursor above this, it says that I have to insert Adobe Reader here. And here it says I have to replace it with not popular. You can see that as I click on this, on the right side, the box consisting of the comment corresponding to this is visible. Next is for inserting a general comment. So I can insert a general comment anywhere by double clicking on this, and then I can write about PDF readers. I could have done that anywhere. So this is something written, but written as a comment, not as a part of the PDF file, although the reader can view it. Then I can use this drawing tool to mark some areas in the document. So a line will be drawn. This is basically a freehand drawing tool. So I can, like, I find that some of the words are not properly written, so I can circle like this, and then I can also write. So if I want to write something for the user, I don't want to type it, I want to mark it like this, I can also mark it like this. So this is a freehand drawing tool through which you can draw some shapes, or you can write some words at random, whatever you want to write. And in case you want to, let me say, I want to draw something here, and then I want to change its color. So I can click on this, change it to green color. So instantly both these change to green color, and then I want to erase something. So I can erase this box, sorry, erase this shape that I had drawn by moving eraser over it. The line appears to be getting fainter, but actually as soon as I release the left button, the eraser icon will be there and the line will be totally removed. Then after going through this document, I can also mark stamps. I can stamp the document. For example, approved is one of the stamps that you can see over here. Or there are other stamps also available. Like it says revised. It says revised. Okay, this stamp can be placed anywhere. For example, I can place it here. So it tells me at what time this particular PDF document was revised by me. So whatever comments I have inserted, so that can be taken as a revision, so that the reader knows that the document has been revised. So in case you want to pass on such information, you have stamps for revised, reviewed, received, approved, and something like this. You can also create your own stamps by going to custom stamps and then say create. In case you have some stamps created as images, then you can browse through and add those stamps. But since I don't have any, so I'm not going to add any new stamps. Then next I can attach files. For example, you want to have you had a file created which gives a description of PDF file. So then I can attach this file next to PDF file. So I click here, and then it says which file do you want to attach here. For example, I say sample1.pdf file, and then I say open. So you will get an icon next to that. Now, what is the shape of that icon going to be? I can have a paper click icon, I can have an attachment icon. Let me say I want to use attachment icon and say OK. So now this attachment icon appears here. As soon as I double click on this, the attached file is going to be opened up. Similarly, I can also insert an audio file next to it. So I can record an audio and I can put a message here. So I can record a message by clicking on this red icon. I'm starting the recording. So this message is going to help me understand what a PDF file is. I'll stop the recording and say OK. So I have created a sound file, and what icon do I want to be inserted? A sound icon to be inserted. I'll say OK. So now this sound icon has been inserted. Now I can double click on it. So this message is going to help me understand what a PDF file is. So you can see the sound is played when I double click on that sound file. Lastly, in the comments toolbar, we can see a set of drawing tools also available. We can use any of these drawing tools on the PDF. For example, I can draw a rectangle. anywhere within the document. And again, I have a provision for changing the color. So this is the fill color and the line color. The thickness of the line can also be changed. So that way I can draw shapes on a PDF using this drawing toolbar. So that's all that can be done in the comments section under comments toolbar.